Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through automating your development workflow from scratch using the immense power of GitHub Actions. Integrated directly into your repository, this tool lets you build, test, and deploy code automatically whenever you interact with GitHub. To set this up, go to your repository homepage on github.com and click straight on the Actions tab in the top navigation bar. GitHub will scan your codebase and suggest popular automation templates, but we will click Set up a workflow yourself to build one from scratch. This action opens an interactive text editor containing a configuration file written in YAML format. You will name this file main.yml and see that it is neatly tucked inside a hidden directory path called .github/workflows. Inside this configuration file, you define an automation trigger by writing onPush branch main, which tells GitHub to execute your code every single time updates are sent to production. Next, you outline your execution steps under a jobs block, specifying that the automation runs on a virtual Ubuntu Linux machine. You will add individual steps that tell GitHub to check out your repository code, install your project dependencies like Node.js, and run your automated test suite using terminal commands like npm test. Once you finish tailoring your steps, click the green Commit Changes button to save the file into your main branch. GitHub will instantly launch a virtual container to run your workflow, turning a green checkmark or red cross right beside your commit to show you exactly whether your automated tests passed or failed. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.